Today I'm going to be sharing with you my weekly analysis and just share with you some of the price areas that I'm either looking at taking a short or a long with my signal service. Hi there and welcome to the Forex Collective. If you don't know me already, my name is Brian and I'm a full-time Forex trader. I run a signal service. You can see videos about my performance on my homepage somewhere. And I also upload tutorials and a weekly analysis like this one to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss out. Today's video I think is just going to be a real short one. I'm just going to share with you kind of where I'm expecting price to go and where I'll be looking at taking some shorts or some longs depending on what's going on with the pair. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so let's start with Australian CAD. So I was looking at taking a short, however, that didn't happen. So now we might just be adjusting things like so. So, you know, maybe something like that. I don't know where price is going to turn, but it will be something like that anyway. If that doesn't happen, then price might come out here and go like that. So not too sure on that one. We'll just have to see. Australian Swiss franc, price is breaking down. It's gonna find support somewhere here. I might look at a long, see if a long presents itself somewhere along here. Australian JPY, here is a winning trade that we just had. It was kind of like, it was a 2.4. So it's kind of like this. So we entered on a retrace because of it. What was the reason? Oh yeah, 12-hour engulfing bar right at trend line, and then we got out just before this trend line right there. So that was a winning trade, and now we are possibly looking for a long, but price is getting pretty compressed, so we might stay out of this one for now. Australian New Zealand. Okay, so here is an unfortunate one. So we actually entered, I think, well, maybe was it daily? Yeah, daily engulfing bar at trend line. We entered, and then what? Yeah, so price triggered us, came back down. Let's go on a smaller time frame here. Maybe it was 1 hour. Yeah, I can't remember exactly what happened, but anyway, we got stopped out at break even. And then, because it looked like things might go up higher, things retraced really deep. However, as soon as it retraced really deep, it skyrocketed down. So we were break even on that trade. No update here. CAD JPY. We looked at entering here on this 8-hour bar at a potential head and shoulders formation. We got triggered, however, right after price broke a low, we moved our stop to our entry, but then price took off, so we actually broke even. However, price never closed above that high. It did break it, and then it has plummeted since then. All right, Euro Australian, not gonna say much there. Not saying much there, not there, skipping there. This is one that I keep wanting to go short on, but it's just, price is becoming messy, so just staying out. Euro USD, we might be looking for a short. Price might retrace up to this level here and then go down, but we'll see. A lot of these I'm not looking to trade right now. Just as we had anticipated in the signal service, price came up to form this point and now we're just looking for a short signal. It might be a double top, perfect double top, so we might look at taking a short right from there. Price has hit a major trend line, and we're looking at taking a short. We haven't seen any. We're starting to see breakdowns, so we'll see if price makes it back up for a decent short entry. Not sure if it will. Not much on USD CAD. The one thing to note is that back here in our older weekly analysis, we were looking at taking a long to hit this trend line. It never materialized. However, you can see that both waves, or whatever you want to call it, this pattern this 1.1 to 0.4 pattern extended is quite powerful. USDCHF, so here we're going to be looking at taking a long because I'm becoming bullish on USD. There's a first reason is it retraced the 50% level, which is also a structural level here. And it just had a 12-hour engulfing bar and is retraced pretty deep. So we will be, I'm not going to share the full analysis on an entry there, but we will be looking at doing a long on that one. This is one that we did enter. We entered long. Things were looking very good. We entered on this long one, and then price did another engulfing bar, which is perfect. We were able to move our stop to break even. But then that news FOMC meeting came out and we stopped out at break even. USD Mexico, I'm not going to say much. SAR, not saying much. So we'll leave it at that. Alright, so there we go. There's just a little snapshot of a very quick, brief review of what I share in my signal service. So on my signal service right now, we are up almost 34% for the year. So if you have any questions about that, please email me. I'll put my email in the description below, or just leave a general comment, and I'll see you next time.